Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Today we're going to make an apple pie.
My favorite is peach pie.
Today we're going to make an apple pie. First, we need to cut the apples. Do you know what we can use to cut the apples? We can't use that. Good job! We can use a sharp knife.
I don't think we're supposed to do that by ourselves.
It's always good to be brave when you're by yourself. Look, I'm a pirate. Ha
That doesn't seem safe.
Okay, Willie, let's cut the apples. That was hard. We have almost everything we need to make our pie. We just need some sugar. Do you know where we keep the sugar? Is it in the pantry, the refrigerator, or the sink? Great! Let's make a pie. Can you smell the apples and cinnamon? Okay, it's time to bake a pie. First, preheat the oven to 425.
I don't think we should be using the oven by ourselves. We should always ask a parent to help.
I'm not sure where they are right now. We're on our own, Willie. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then, put the apples into the pie tin. Now, put it in the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Our pie is ready! I can't wait to eat it! What's your favorite kind of pie? That sounds delicious. Willie, let's have some pie. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
We're at a petting zoo. He's hurt.
That doesn't seem safe. We don't have much time.